All right. You want to do our alphabet? Okay. A says. A says. What does A say? Very good. What does B say? Ba. Very good. Ba. Ba. What does B say? Very good. Okay. What does C say? Very good. C says. And very good. D says D. Very good, Emmy. D. Allie, what's this? Allison, what's this one? Hey, honey. What's this? What is this? Is it an E? E says eh. Very good. Very good, honey. Kiss it. What's this? What's this one? Very good. What's this? G says G. Very good. G. J. G. J. What's this? What is this? This is H. What does H say? Very good. What is this? That's this one. I. What does I say? H says. What does I say? I. Very good. That's right, honey. The I. That's right. What's this one? What's this one? J. What does J say? Yeah, that's right. The I is right here. What does J say? Very good. J. J. What's this one? M says that's right. What's this one? K. K. Very good, honey. That's right. What's this one? Uh-oh. What's this one? L. What does L say? Oh. Allie, what's this one? Whoa, Papa Smurf, what's he doing? Ahoy! Hey, what's this one? His shoes are they're red, aren't they? He's got red shoes on. It is funny. Hey, honey, what letter is this? Hey, what is this? Is this M? Very good. M says What's this? N. Hello. Are you there, Captain? What does N say? Very good. Whoa, Captain. What does O say? Very good. What does P say? Pa. Very good, honey. What does Q say? What did you find? A turtle in a box? How absurd. Hey, what does Q say? Oh, shake, 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 da 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 da. Shake, shake, shake. Shake that turtle. Thank you. What does Q say? What does Q say? Hello? Ooh. What about this one? R. What does R say? R. Ooh, R says. He does with it. What is this one? S. What does S say? Oh, does it? What does S say? Very good. What is this one? Is it a T? What does T say? What does T say? Oh, it says that whole sentence. Do you know U? What does U say? Ooh. Ooh, that's right. What does V say? What does W say? What does W say? Wah. Wah. What does X say? X. What does Y say? Yeah. And what does Z say? Good job, honey. You did so good. Shake, shake, shake. Ah! Can you say hi to the camera? Say hi. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Can you say I love you?
Papa.
I love you. Can you say thank you? Very good. Banana, let's see. Oh, that is a banana. How about that? Gum, 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 gum. Ooh, what you got now? Can you say grandpa?
Papa.
Very good. Can you say grandma?
Mama.
Very good. Grandma. Very good, honey. Can you say Gigi? Great grandma? Gigi. No? Is there a teddy bear in the room? Have you seen any teddy bears around here? No. Is there a teddy bear over there? Anywhere?
No.
No. How about any jellyfish? Let's see. Is there a jellyfish? That's right. Very good, honey. The jellyfish. That's right, sweetheart. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Say take care. We love you. I love you. Very good, honey.